Artificial intelligence is here. It's not science fiction. AI is changing the world. It's making our lives easier and more efficient. Whether you are an employee, an entrepreneur, a student, or a parent, AI has something to offer you. Imagine a world where technology anticipates your needs, where complex tasks are simplified. AI is that world. It's a powerful tool that can help us in every aspect of our lives. For employees, AI can automate repetitive tasks. This frees up time for more creative and strategic work. For entrepreneurs, AI can provide valuable insights into customer behavior. This leads to better business decisions. Students can use AI for research and learning. Parents can use AI to manage busy schedules and stay organized. AI is for everyone. It's a tool that can help us achieve more and live better lives. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's already integrated into our daily lives. Many user-friendly AI tools are available. These tools can simplify our daily routines and save us valuable time. Let's explore some examples. Notion AI. This powerful tool can help you with various writing tasks. It can summarize notes, generate creative content, and translate languages. Google Assistant. Need to set a reminder or make a call? Google Assistant is here to help. Use voice commands for hands-free control of your devices. ChatGPT. Stuck on a writing project or need information quickly? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that can answer your questions. It can even write different kinds of creative content. Grammarly. Writing error-free content is crucial. Grammarly acts as your personal editor. It catches grammatical errors and suggests improvements for clearer writing. Canva AI. Creating stunning visuals has never been easier. Canva AI offers templates and design suggestions. It makes graphic design accessible to everyone. Google, Translate, and DeepL. Breaking down language barriers is essential in our globalized world. These AI-powered translation tools provide accurate and natural-sounding translations. These are just a few examples of the many AI tools available. These tools can make our lives easier, more productive, and more enjoyable. Imagine this. It's Monday morning. You're facing a mountain of emails. You need to respond professionally and efficiently. This is where AI comes in. AI tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT can help you write professional emails in minutes. Start by inputting the key points you want to convey. Grammarly will ensure your email is grammatically correct and well written. ChatGPT can help you structure your email. It can suggest appropriate greetings and closings. It can even tailor the tone of your email to match the recipient. Using these AI tools saves you time. It also reduces the stress of email communication. You can focus on other important tasks. AI ensures your emails are professional and well received. This is just one example of how AI can simplify your daily life. As you explore different AI tools, you'll discover even more ways to use AI to your advantage. Section 4, AI in the workplace, boosting productivity across industries. AI is transforming the workplace. It's increasing productivity across various industries. Employees, marketers, salespeople, and business owners are all benefiting from AI-powered tools. Employees with AI can automate repetitive tasks for employees. This could include data entry or scheduling appointments. This automation frees up employees to focus on more creative and engaging tasks. Marketers, AI provides marketers with valuable insights into customer behavior and market trends. AI analyzes data to identify patterns and predict future trends. This helps marketers make better decisions about targeting, messaging, and campaign optimization. Salespeople, AI can help salespeople qualify leads and personalize their outreach. AI-powered CRM systems can analyze customer data. This identifies high-potential leads. AI can even generate personalized sales scripts. Business owners' AI can help business owners make data-driven decisions. It can optimize pricing strategies, manage inventory, and streamline operations. AI chatbots can even provide 24/7 customer support, improving customer satisfaction. AI is becoming essential for businesses of all sizes. By embracing AI, companies can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and gain a competitive edge. Section 5. Top AI tools. Your gateway to enhanced efficiency. Many AI tools are available. Choosing the right ones for your needs is essential. Here are some of the top AI tools that can significantly enhance your efficiency. ChatGPT. This AI chatbot is your go-to tool for various writing tasks. It can generate different creative text formats, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Notion AI. This powerful tool integrates seamlessly with your Notion workspace. It assists with note-taking, summarizing, writing, and project management. Canva AI creates stunning visuals effortlessly with Canva AI. It offers a wide range of templates, design suggestions, and AI-powered editing tools. Pictory in video. These AI-powered video editing tools make it easy to create professional-looking videos. They offer templates, stock footage, and automated editing features. Otter.ai/whisper-. These AI-powered transcription tools can save you hours of time. They can transcribe audio and video recordings accurately, making it easier to create notes, summaries, and transcripts. These tools are user-friendly. They cater to various needs and skill levels. Exploring these tools will unlock new possibilities for efficiency and productivity. Section 6. Mastering AI, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Starting with AI might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. 1. Identify your needs. Determine which tasks you want to simplify or automate using AI. 2. Research AI tools. Explore different AI tools and their features. Read reviews and compare pricing. 3. Start with one tool. Focus on mastering one AI tool at a time. This allows you to learn its capabilities thoroughly. 4. Explore tutorials and resources. Many online tutorials and resources are available for popular AI tools. Take advantage of these to enhance your skills. 5. Practice regularly. The key to mastering AI is consistent practice. Use AI tools regularly to integrate them into your workflow. By following these steps, you can gradually incorporate AI into your daily life and work. The more you use AI tools, the more comfortable and proficient you'll become. Section 7. Embrace the AI revolution. Share your experience. AI is not just a technological advancement, it's a transformative force that's changing how we live and work. Embracing AI is no longer optional. It's essential for staying competitive and relevant in today's rapidly evolving world. As you embark on your AI journey, remember to share your experiences. Tell others about the AI tools you're using. Share your success stories and the challenges you've overcome. By sharing our experiences, we can learn from each other. We can create a community of AI enthusiasts who are eager to explore the possibilities of this transformative technology. AI has the potential to make our lives easier, our work more productive, and our world a better place. Let's embrace the AI revolution together and unlock a future filled with limitless possibilities.